Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the Nautique GS20 Super Air. This is a gorgeous boat, black in color with a little bit of white. It's on a tandem axle trailer. Towards the rear here we have two rear facing loungers, which are great if you're putting your boards on. Great sea deck flooring throughout the swim platform, as well as through the center walkthrough and the entire boat. Anywhere you put your feet has sea deck flooring. There's nice areas on the edges with the sea deck flooring. It's non-slip, great place to jump off of or to board the boat. Here in the bow you can see a couple cup holders as well as the JL audio sound system. Nice area in the bow. Here we have a wraparound seat. Has lots of cup holders, again JL audio sound system, and cushions that can be removed, as you can see here, to step on the boat so you don't have to step on the upholstery. In the glove box we have nice dry area to put cell phones, keys, money, wallets, everything. JL audio sound system, which is totally Bluetooth capable. All your phone chargers, everybody's belongings can go in there. Here at the helm we have a flip up bolster option and then a full touchscreen. Everything's controlled from the touchscreen. The ballast, the music, everything. This boat seats 12. It comes with the trailer, tower, bimini, and the speakers. Once again, I'm Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out today and look at this GS model or any of our other Nautiques or other boats here on our showroom floor. Hope to see you soon.